Hi everyone, and welcome to the Free Range Diva. It's Face Mask Alchemy Day today, and I wanted to bring you the latest mask from my favorite subscription box, as well as my favorite tip for overcoming some holiday stress. It takes about 30 seconds, maybe 45 seconds, and it can definitely make a dramatic difference in all measures of stress in your body. So let's get started with the mask. This mask is called the Honey Honey mask, and it says that it's a blend of therapeutic Hawaiian ingredients designed to kiss and revive the skin. Now, Marie, the formulator and YouTuber called And the Color Green, did a complete review of this mask on her channel, so I'm not going to go into a lot of the ingredients in depth. I will link her video so that you can take a look if you like. But this mask does have white kaolin clay, and then honey powder, coconut milk powder, hibiscus powder, Hawaiian turmeric, and Hawaiian sandalwood powder, and all of those ingredients are organic. The oil, there's always a little oil that comes with the mask. I'll show you. I didn't even show you the mask itself. Here it is right here. It's called Honey Honey. And the oil she calls the fruitcake oil, and it has watermelon seed oil, prickly pear, passion fruit, pomegranate, and CO2 extracted, as well as organic. So this mask, if you're looking for quality, you've got it right here for $10.88 a month. And I'll double check to make sure that hasn't changed, but I believe that's what it is currently. So yeah, so here's what the mask, I already put together just the mask with water. So you can see the turmeric is definitely coloring this mask, this mustardy yellow color. The mask also includes a honey stick. So I'm just going to go ahead and add the oil and the honey to the mask because I do want this to be very hydrating, while I talk a bit about stress. So the month of November was a very busy month for me. I was on the go a lot of the time and had very little time for doing anything that you might consider to be self-care. By the time I would get home in the evenings, I would just be too tired to do anything other than take off, whatever makeup I had on that day and go to bed. Now the thing is that this wasn't like bad stress. It was all good stress. There were a lot of good things that were, going on. I was out and about and visiting people and going to events and things like that. Well, events, just seeing friends and things, and as well as preparing for Thanksgiving, trying to figure out the menu, getting, the things purchased that we needed to get purchased. So, and then on top of that, there were other, just like the regular stuff, like seeing the physical therapist every week. My mother had doctor appointments and eye appointments and things like that she wanted me to drive her to. So there was a lot of running around, a lot of shopping, and just a lot of stuff. Okay, so this is nicely mixed up. So let me just get this on. So one of my favorite ways, I think I need a mirror. No, I don't. I can just look in the camera. So I do yoga, not, like a very complex or challenging, just very gentle yoga stretches to help keep me flexible, as well as, keeping me calm. Not that I'm high-strung or anything, but, yeah, okay. Quiet, I hear you. Oh, this is nice. I have to tell you, this mask feels really luxurious. It's very cooling. as well. With all this turmeric, it should also be very brightening. I want to make sure that I get a little bit into these areas close to the eyes. I'm not trying to get into the eyes, but close to it. It's almost the same color as me. Okay. So one of the things that I love doing is what's called a heart opening link. This it starts off from prayer position, and this is all about breathing, slow, natural, rhythmic breathing. Start off from a prayer position, and you go very inward. You bring your focus inward, and so doing, you tend to just you want to just close out the world, close your eyes, and from this position, you know what? Let's back out a little bit. Okay, so from this position, you bring your focus inward and downward and exhale. And as you exhale, just sit kind of in that place, deep, deep, deep. Try and get as far inside your being as you can, to that place of peace. And then as you begin the inhale, you want to open your focus and take in the world on that inhale breath. So it looks something like, and then as you exhale, you come back and you drop the focus again. So it looks something like this. And you'll do that 5 times. Each time you're following your breath, which dictates the movement, and the link is called the heart opening link. So it's open, inhale, close, exhale. Drop your focus on the exhale, open the focus, and as you open your focus on the inhale, take in the world, take in your surroundings. And again on the exhale. Keep the movement gentle and easy so that you're just riding the waves of the breath. You can inhale through your nose and exhale through the nose or through the mouth, whichever is comfortable for you. And at the end of 5 of these inward and outward breaths, as you open and close, you'll come back to your prayer position. Take in the world one last time, and you're ready to go on with your day. And what is so nice about this is that those moments when you are when you have gone inside, that's where you find mental clarity. That's where you find peace, creative inspiration, all of these, this idea of just letting go of the outside world and totally bringing your focus within to that quiet, deep, dark place inside is a great way not only to get in touch with your spiritual self, but it's a metaphor for how you choose to go about your day. Starting your day from a moment of deep and quiet peace and serenity. And from that, you open up out into the world and embrace the world, always coming from that place of peace and calm. And as I said, it's great for, those times when you're trying to figure something out and you just don't have a problem that you really can't solve. It doesn't always happen immediately, but often I'll get my best ideas soon thereafter. So I'm going to now go take this off. It's been about a few minutes, so I'll give this about 10 or 15 minutes, rinse it off, and then I'll come back and tell you my thoughts. Be right back. Okay, I am back, and just put my skincare on. The mask is wonderful. I mean, just what you would expect, same quality that Marie's masks typically have. This one was a little bit tingly on my skin, so I left it on for 10 minutes. It's probably the turmeric that is so active. This is actually, I think, my first time that I can remember doing a turmeric mask, so that might have, you know, something to do with it. But you can tell, I think, that my skin looks more even now. I also feel like there's a flush, like my face is very warm, like there was a flush of circulation going on. Yeah, once I rinsed it off, it was fine. It's not tingling now. And it was fabulous. I want to say a word about the oil blend this month, because I'm just putting a little on my hands right now. This blend, it feels a little, it's a little thick, but it absorbs very fast, smells amazing, and it kind of leaves a nice little sheen on the skin, but it doesn't feel like it's leaving any kind of oily residue or anything like that. It definitely takes about, yeah, maybe 10 or 15 seconds and then goes straight in. So you can use it, I would think, perfectly. It would be wonderful to sort of add in maybe a drop of this to whatever nighttime moisturizer you have, or you can just use it in the mask if you like. But yeah, this Honi Honi mask, which, by the way, I guess in Hawaiian is the word for the greeting where you touch noses. So that's kind of cute. But this mask is really, really great. So I guess that's going to wrap it up for today. Face Mask Alchemy is a monthly subscription box. It's $10.88. And I believe that this mask, I just checked, and it's still available. So if you feel like this is something you might want to try, then I'll leave the link below, and you can hop on over there and read more about it and sign up. And I hope that the little tip about the breathing, the heart opening link, was helpful, and that you will use it when things get a little, you know, out of hand, as they can at this time of year, because of course we're all really busy. All right, everyone, I thank you so much for watching today. I really appreciate it. I thank all of you who leave me comments. Love that. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, of course, if you haven't already, because I would love that. And until I see you again, I'm wishing all of you a wonderful day, a wonderful week. Take good care of yourselves, and I will talk to you again very, very soon. Bye, everybody.